Hi guys, welcome to EIKV. This is Vishnu. So in this illustration, you are the manager of the paper mill limited, GCM limited, and has recently come across with a particular type of product which is being sold subsequently lower rate by another company, ABC limited. Then the price charged by your own mill. The value chain of the mill per ton of such paper of the ABC Limited are as follows. ABC Limited, from ABC Limited, the paper will goes to merchants, and from merchants to printers, and printers to customers. ABC Limited sells their this particular paper to the merchant at the rate of 1466 per ton. ABC Limited also pays for the freight, which amounts to 30 per ton. The average return amounts to 4% of the sales and approximately equal to 60 per ton. Then they have given the details of your company. The value chain of your company through which the company reaches the ultimate customer is similar to ABC Limited. However, your mill does not sell directly to the merchant. The latter receiving the paper from the huge distributor centers maintained by your company at Haryana. The shipment cost from the mill to the distributing center amounts to 11 per ton, while the operating cost of distributing center has been estimated to rupees 25 per ton. The return of investment required to the distribution center for the investment made amounts to rupees 58 per ton. You are required to compute mill manufacturing targeted cost for this particular paper for the company. You may assume that the return of investment expected to your company equals to 120 per ton for each such paper. So guys, here you have given your company as well as your competitor company ABC, and the competitor company has selling a particular kind of paper at lower cost, and then they have given some of the details of the competitor as well as some of the details of your company. So you need to work out the targeted cost. So while computing the targeted cost, you need to work out from the profit or the sales price. So you need to work out from the sales price and you need to cut all the expenses, and you will get a particular type of cost on which you need to include every direct or other expenses in that amount. So when I'm directly going for the solution. In the solution, I have made a table which contains 3 columns: particulars and sub column and an amount column. And first we will take the selling price of ABC Limited, which is 1466, and we need to deduct the freight paid by the ABC Limited, which is 30 rupees, and then the normal sales return which is charged by the ABC Limited as rupees 60. Then we need to deduct XY Limited's capital charge as 120 rupees. When we take the sum of these charges, we will get 210, and when we deduct 210 from the sales price, we will get 1256, 1256. That is the targeted cost of XYS Limited. Then we need to consider our costs such as shipment cost to the distribution center, which is 11, and the operating cost in the distribution center, which is 25, and we need to deduct, when we take the sum of 11 plus 25, which we will get 36, and you need to deduct that 36 rupees from the targeted cost of XYZ Limited. So we will get an amount of 1220. That is the distribution center's capital charge. After that, you need to deduct the targeted manufacturing cost of M Limited, which is 58 rupees. After considering that, you will get the targeted manufacturing cost of the mill, M Limited, which is 1162. So guys, thanks for watching this video. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.